In this video, you'll learn about the key differences between Riverside.fm and Zoom for recording purposes. This guide will help you understand which platform might better suit your recording needs based on various factors such as quality, ease of use, and pricing. Begin by considering recording quality as a primary factor. Riverside.fm records locally, ensuring higher audio and video quality. This is particularly advantageous for professional podcasts and content creators who prioritize high-resolution recordings. In contrast, Zoom compresses files during recording, which can affect the overall quality. Understanding these differences is essential for anyone serious about their content. Next, evaluate ease of use and accessibility. Zoom is widely recognized and has a simple interface, making it user-friendly for meetings. On the other hand, Riverside.fm is tailored specifically for creators and remote interviews, which may provide features that are more beneficial for your recording sessions. Before making a choice, check the compatibility of your devices with both platforms. This can significantly impact your user experience and overall comfort with the interface. After that, compare pricing and storage features. Riverside.fm offers tools specifically designed for creators, such as the ability to record separate audio tracks for each participant. This feature can be invaluable for editing purposes. Zoom, however, is more focused on business collaboration tools, which may or may not align with your recording needs. Take time to assess your long-term scalability and how each platform's pricing fits into your budget. Consider the impact of internet speed on your recording experience. Riverside.fm *S local recording may be less affected by connection issues, while Zoom relies on a stable internet connection for optimal performance. If you are in an area with unreliable internet, Riverside.fm might be the better option. Additionally, think about your storage limitations. Riverside.fm typically requires more local storage for high quality recordings, while Zoom's files may be smaller due to compression. Lastly, weigh the overall features each platform offers against your specific recording needs. If high-quality audio and video are your top priorities, Riverside.fm is likely the better choice. Conversely, if ease of use and collaboration tools are more critical, Zoom may be the way to go. Consider your unique requirements before making a final decision. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.